In this guide video, I'll show you how can you add network or how can you add Wi-Fi network manually in Windows 11 and 10. Now to do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you want to come to your search box and type in control panel. Once you do it so, you'll be taken to this page. What next you want to do is go to internet. So click on view network status. After which you want to select this option that is set up a new connection or network. Once you do it so, you could see a pop-up window, right? So you want to click on manually connect to a wireless network, which is in the option third. So click on next, and then you'd have to go ahead and type in the network name, the security type, the encryption type, and then the security. We've actually added all of these information. Tap the next button, and without fail you'll be able to successfully connect to a wireless network. But then make sure that the information you've entered is correct, and that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.